Welcome. Today in front of me Xiaomi Pad 5 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should get the application from the Play Store, and now we should go into the Play Store, and here in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just open the app. Here click enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher, tap to OK, again to OK, and as you can see the switcher is activated. Now just go back and click to the switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now just click here to OK, and as you can see it's finished. And now we'll go somewhere, for example into the Google search, and here you can see the look of our new device keyboard, and as you can see this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 at all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.